Sa po tayo ng mga upuan para lahat po ay ma-accommodate. Maraming salamat po sa pag-unawa. Good morning to our
Rwana Ashley Frizzy with honors. Third place, Nutrimar Egg Mosaic. Second place, Nutrimar Crispy Group category. First place, Rwana Stars Competition. First place, Rwana Ulikay Sang Awit. First place, Tagisang Talino Maramihan. Champion Original Competition. Champion Social Runners Competition. Champion Singles Competition. Amazing Writers Award. Co-Curricular Awardee.